Today I'm going to be showing you how I cut my tile around this tub contour here. So I'm using 12 by 24 tiles, and I'm going to be using a grinder to cut it out and a diamond cone bit on my grinder. I'm also going to be using this little template gauge to get the contour of the tub. Yeah, first things first, I want my tile to overhang 2.5 inches. So we want it to overhang 2.5 inches like on this side here. So we're going to go over to our tile. I got my tile here. We're going to mark over 2.5 inches. Now I'm going to turn on my laser to see how far up I want the tile. So I'm going to measure down from this mark here. Alright, so I want this tile to come up to 11 3/4 minus a 1/16 because I put a 1/16 inch spacer underneath the tile here. So now I'm going to measure up on my tile here 11 3/4 minus a 1/16. Now I'm going to use my square and mark out our lines. So this is the point where our tub comes down here. This part got a little messed up in the recording somehow, but I basically just used the contour gauge to get the contour and then marked it right where the two lines meet. got our nice contour there, and we had a little bit of chipping out here, so I'm just going to use this diamond polishing pad, and I got to be really careful not to cut or snap this tile now. They're pretty fragile. And this is a 400 grit cheap pad from Amazon. It works pretty well. Alright. Now we'll go see how this fits. Alright, so I got my tile level here, and this gap opens up to about an eighth, maybe a little more down there, and then it's tight up at the top. Then down here we got a nice 1/16 to an eighth, but this would fly, but I'm just for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you how you describe it. So start your pencil, just put it flat down at the gap and raise it up. And boom, there we go. We got a perfect fit here.